Clothes and accessories. Jeans. Coat. Short. Shoes. Skirt. Socks. Shirt. T-shirt. Trousers or pants. Sweatshirt. Hat. Suit. Dress. Boots. Gloves. Belt. Pajamas. Underpants. Tie. Scarf. Headscarf. High heels. Raincoat. Bikini. Let's start exercises. Put the words in the correct group. Jeans. Which one is the correct group for the jeans? Tie. Which one is the correct group for the tie? Underpants. Which one is the correct group for the underpants? Skirt. Which one is the correct group for the skirt? Coat. Which one is the correct group for the coat? Boots. Which one is the correct group for the boots? Shirt. Which one is the correct group for the shirt? Short. Which one is the correct group for the short? Headscarf. Which one is the correct group for the headscarf?